Thutha wa utongoria wa kiama kia UDA kurugamia ithurano cia matuurai-ini muthia-ini wa mwaka muhituku kurumirira ngurani ya mawoni, ikerekaria mbere ria ithurano ici ni cikambiriria muthenya wa RUCIU. Muikariri giti wa bodi ya ithurano kiama-ini giki uria nowe muikariri giti ruhonge-ini rwa ungania wa magoti KRA Anthony MWAURA akionania mwihoko wa ithurano ici ugathie na mbere hatari mihingo yothe. Akiaria na andiki a mohoro wabici-ini cia kiama kia UDA, MOHORO augite ithurano ici iria igatabanio kugerera mitambo ya kiriu ikambiriria thaa 3 cia rucini na ikorwo irikite thaa 9 cia miaraho, akihinyiriria uma na waragania ithurano-ini ici.
Our elections will be electronic, the first in the country, the first in Africa. There is no party in Africa which have done electronic voting. It will be seamless. It will be free and fair. I'm telling you, ladies and gentlemen, that this election will be the best in Africa, the way we did our nomination. And we must restore confidence within our party members.
IKEREKAINI ria mbere, ithurano ici igatabanio kaunti-ini ya Nairobi, Homa Bay, Busia, West Pokot na Narok. MWAURA akiranira ni meharirie na ndege igiri kungikinya ni magacibatara gukinyia mitambo ya uikia wa kura, mbura iria ithiite na mbere guthandana igithararia mihango ya ukui barabara-ini.
We don't foresee any problem, and in case there will be rain and some places are cut off, we are prepared even to transport our gadgets using helicopters. You'll be having 2 standby helicopters to make sure that in each and every polling center there will be voting.
Githurano giki kiguciriria ahitahitaniri 181 kaunti ya Nairobi kiandikithia na mberia nene. MWAURA akihe mukana wa gukanjirwo githurano kuri aria hihi magikorwo na methugunda magukungia wara kana kuhakana hindi ya ithurano ici.
We would like to urge our voters to be very peaceful, desist from violence, voter bribery, and we have said it categorically, and we are serious about that. Anybody who will be involved in violence or rigging or bribery, you be automatically disqualified.
Ikerekaria keriria ithurano ici igatabanio mweri-ini wa gatandatu tariki 22 ria gatatu tariki 10 mweri wa 8 na ria muthia tariki 24 o mweri wa 8. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.